Hello all, Scott here again, and Bella. She wanted to join in the fun. Right, Bella? I love you too. We're here to, do an unboxing video again. This time it's for the Loot Crate for October. I think the theme is horror. Shall we see what's in it? I'm excited because I haven't seen it, so let's get to it. Right, Bill? Yeah. First off, we get a little doll. Texas Chainsaw Massacre doll. No, I don't squeak, Bella. I don't squeak. And next thing we got, Bella. She has sniff everything. Pennant. Camp Crystal Lake pennant. Which is really cool. I can find a place to hang that up at. That'd be cool. Right there. Saving the shirt for last. Let's see what else there. And that goes too. We got Nightmare on Elm Street, Freddy's glove, chopsticks. And then we got comic book, Legends of Regrettable Supervillains. So I'll put this aside. And it looks like we got our Halloween Loot Crate pin. It's a Halloween. Michael Myers. That's cool. And of course we have our book to show what's in it. It's for horror theme. I want to see what this thing is about. And this is it. And of course the last thing is the t-shirt. That's cool. It's a Welcome Dead t-shirt. Which will be good to wear for tonight. since tonight's the opening of it. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. And please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you like the video, and me and Bill will see you in the next video, hopefully soon. Or I'll probably be going to Disney a couple times in the next few weeks. Do a couple of them. I like to go back to Epcot and do some more looking around before the Wine and Food Festival ends. I want to go back a couple times before that ends. And go to Magic Kingdom sometime next month. So, I might do another weekly vlog, which I have one up right now. If you'd like to go watch it, weekly vlog number 3. And I'll probably do number 4 sometime this week or so. Maybe take my GoPro and do some bowling tomorrow. So I hope you all have a happy Sunday and good week. We'll see you next time. Double S signing out.